Hello there, I'm Steven School, and I recently joined the self-credit repair program to build credit. And I have an update that came very quickly. I joined on 5/31, just a few days ago, in the evening. So I checked my email today. It says I have received an email a day ago about an update on my credit report, a change in my credit report from my bank. My bank gives me free updates on my credit report. They let me check it free. So, hi Stephen, there was recently a change to your credit report. This came yesterday. Here are some, let's see, okay. Let me show you. Here's the email from my bank, Chase. It says there was recently a change in my credit. So, I go to the bank online, check my credit report. It's at 577. Okay, so I joined the self program to build my credit, and I joined it just a few days ago on the May 31st, and I received the email on June 5th regarding this change. So that's what, 6 days, 5 or 6 days, and already my credit is improved. In 5 or 6 days time, my credit is improved. So my old score was 522 and my new score is 577, and on the self website it still shows my old score of 552. Okay, but my bank has already noticed the change, that my credit score has improved to 577. It's still poor, but granted, from May 31st to June 5th I've already had an increase. So let's just see what that is. That's what, 25 points, right? My credit score went up. It looks to me like it went up 25 points from 552 to 577. In 6 days time from this program. That's pretty good. Granted, my credit is not where I want it to be yet, but it's climbing fast. So that's aggressive. In my opinion, that's aggressive. And I have not invested a lot because I paid $25 for my monthly installment. I think it was $1.06 of fees on top of that, and then the sign-up fee, administration fee, was $9 and some change. Here it is. So I paid $9.50 when I signed up. I made my first payment a month early just to see what would happen, $26.05. And great results, because they posted it to my credit report right away and it boosted me 25 points in what, 6 days, 5 or 6 days. So 2605 and 957. I paid $35.62 so far into the self program. After their fees, I still have $23.64 that's mine, which I will get back at the end of the program, and my credit score already went up 25 points in 5 days. That's a great update. So when it updates again, I'll make another video and we'll check it out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates. And I'm going to include a link in the description so you can come and check out this aggressive credit repair program. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.